Hello everyone, Coco is coming. Second reason, integral molding. Excellent elasticity and no deformation under pressure. Our company workshop uses hydraulic shaping equipment to bend through the mold with high efficiency and a good consistency, effectively ensuring the dimensional accuracy of the product. Oil outlet, unique design, easy to pull. This oil drain pan is small in size and large in capacity, so you can use it with confidence. You need to find the oil outlet. There is an oil inlet hole in the pan. You just need to put the oil pan under it. After the oil is drained, wipe the surface of the plate clean. Open the oil drain cover above and introduce the oil into the container. Oil outlet, unique design, easy to pull.